Hey, it's Misty with Behold Beauty Boutique. I wanted to do a few box opens for you guys. The Beauty Society that I've always used, the skincare that I use and love them. These are their mystery boxes that come in. I got a few that I saved to open with, to show you guys what was in them. And they always come with a coupon. Like this one is a $25 off of any order over $99. Right now they have most of their products that are half off, so you might want to jump on that sale, but I just kind of wanted to show you what kind of comes in these boxes. So this is a pair of UV glasses, which is very exciting to protect your eyes if you're on the computer a lot. Then we have Immortal Eyes, and I love this. This is one of my favorite products ever. And this alone is like a $50 product. And you get it in the box. And then you also get, let's see what else is in here. We've got an black eyeliner. We got Immortal Eyes refill. Refill that bottle. You have Perfect Form. Love this on my neck. It's a great product. You also got one of their lip glisten, and this has a little mirror on the back, so you don't have to have a mirror when you're out. And then you got gentle makeup remover. So that was what was in that box. And they all come in these pretty little drawstring bags. And so as you can tell, that value is amazing. So like I said, that one product pays for the box itself. Alright, so I'm going to open this one and see what was in this one. Look at it. Also came with a $25 off of $75 purchase. And then it came with this little pretty makeup box. Little makeup bag. I can smell the products when I open this. Craziness. It's hung on something. Go. And it's got all the little compartments in there. And then, ooh, you've got a concealer brush. Nice foundation brush. Love Thy Face. Oh my gosh, this is another amazing product. You got Photo Shoot Facial Primer. And you got, and I may have taken stuff out of this box, but Save and Face Refill. This is another $50 product. So that was what was in that little, plus the little cute makeup box. Then let's show what was in this one. And then I got the newest one that I'm going to show you guys. Alright, in this one, you got, if I can get it out of the bag, a little hair dryer, fold up hair dryer. Fantastic. You got Redemption Advanced Hair Repair and Conditioning Spray. A refill to that, which is fantastic. You also got Our Little Secret, which is another great face product. You got a $20 off $60 purchase. And then you got a hair wrap to not pull out your hair when you're washing and conditioning instead of using a regular towel. So that was in that box. And then I'm going to show you the newest one. And I'm going to post my link if you want to purchase one of these boxes. These are monthly mystery boxes. And I think they're $45. Which one product in here pays for that itself. This is the newest box. So this one came with, let's see what this coupon is. Coupon code. It's not telling me. It's probably 25 off of 50, I think. Got your coupon code. I'm waiting on the mascara because it's on back order, but it's going to be Plot Twist Long Lasting Mascara. So it's coming. You got Drama Free. It's another good facial serum. And I'll never use any other kind of skincare, just so you know. And then you got the drama free. And so this is the refill to this glass jar. And then you got a lip pencil, red hot lip pencil with a sharpener on the end. You got Lip Nirvana, and of course it has the little mirror, as always. And then you got sugar lip scrub, and the stuff smells fantastic. And then you got a heated eyelash curler. Fantastic. This is an awesome box. So I will be posting my link if you want to go check out one of the boxes for yourself, or go and save, because most of the products are 50% off. And I'll be doing future videos to show you about each product and tell you about it. But I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.